Lord will wipe away the tears from all the faces. He will remove his people's disgrace from all the earth. The Lord has spoken. In that day, they will say, surely this is our God. We trusted in him, and he saved us. This is the Lord. We trusted in him. Let us rejoice and be glad in his salvation. The hand of the Lord will rest on this mountain, but Moab will be trampled in their land as straw is trampled down in the manure. They will stretch out their hands in it as swimmers stretch out their hands to swim. God will bring down their pride despite the cleverness of their hands. He will bring them down from high from fortified walls and lay them low. He will bring them down to the ground, to the very dust. Again, even if it's not, physical enemies you are facing, it is the day-to-day grind at some points, and sometimes you have to get through those grind moments to become that best version of yourself. I know it's so cliche. In 2021, everyone's an entrepreneur, everyone's a motivational speaker. So if I had any wisdom to part, at least in these videos, it's already been said. I think the best advice I saw somewhere is, let's quote Will Smith, is, best things you could do is run. And he meant that in the sense of to overcome that fatigue of just life. And secondly, read books to find problems to solutions. There's some things that I think about that just do not have those